Hello there, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kinsey, and today I wanted to talk about Patreon. For those of you that don't know, Patreon is a subscription-based service. It's great for content creators, YouTubers, anyone that has any form of online presence. So let's go ahead and take a look at our Patreon page and check out all of the different tiers that we have. Our first tier starts off at $3 for the Kinsenites, and highlighted you can see everything that each tier offers. And as the price goes higher, so do the perks of each tier. All the way down to 15% off of any purchase on our websites, digital downloads, or shouting your name out at the end of every video. Even the most basic tier has a lot to offer, and we really want to build a strong community. We are already beginning to start a bunch of fun projects. Right now we are trying to build a list that everyone agrees on so that we can have a planned out Inktober. So every day in October we will have to create, in whatever medium you prefer, a project based on the topic for the day. I'm super excited to see what everyone creates, and I hope that it's a lot of fun. When it comes to picking a tier on Patreon, we ask that you are mindful of your finances. We don't want you to put yourself in any form of strain. Even the lowest tier, $3, that alone helps us immensely. And honestly, it's going to be our most popular, and you still have access to pretty much everything except for a few things like the shout outs or the discounts. Our plan is to build a very immersive art community over on Patreon, somewhere where it's safe for everyone to create, and also the ability to soundboard off of each other. If you have an idea, you're not quite sure how to approach it, I'm trying to build a community so you have somewhere to go, to speak about, ask questions, just really make your visions come to life. If you do choose to follow us on Patreon, we super appreciate you and thank you so much. We definitely look forward to working with you and to see what all we can create together as a community. As always, thank you for watching this video. I hope that we will see you over on Patreon and that you will continue to follow us here on YouTube. It is free to support us here. Just like, subscribe, maybe throw a comment here and there. It really helps us in the algorithm, and it would really help get this business off the ground. Thank you so much. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.